Hi folks, it's been a long time you've seen me teaching. In today's video lecture, I'm going to discuss about the business intelligence and analytics, which is the part of third unit. Okay guys, let's jump into the topic. The definition of business intelligence, BI. Guys, whenever I say BI, please infer that it is business intelligence, okay? Okay, it's coming to the definition. Many people have given the definitions for BI, but if you see any of these definitions, you can understand that BI is used to take or make better decisions. In simple, BI means having perfect idea about market conditions, business requirements, future forecasting for taking good decisions in order to sustain in the market. So friends, let us take an example in the present time in order to better understand what is business intelligence. You are a businessman. You are in a business of tourism. But in the present situation, you are in a deadlock because of COVID-19. If you have good intelligence and you need to take decisions in order to sustain in the market, in this scenario, a good businessman would take a strategic decisions to convert his business or shift his business from tourism to any other business which has demand in present scenario. Let us think what are the different options we have to convert our business. Let's take a sanitizing business, sanitizers, manufacturing of sanitizers, because in present situation there is a good demand for sanitizers or masks. So the tourism business is converted to sanitizing business. The businessman converts his office to sanitizing manufacturing unit to take best use of the market situations. He took these decisions because of having sound business intelligence. Next slide. Where BI is used. See guys, BI is used to have right information at right format at right time to take decisions at three different levels, that may be strategic, tactical or operational, which leads to betterment of company. I already discussed about the levels of decisions that are tactical, operational and strategic. Operational basic level, which are taken day to day. Tactical, with these decisions need dexterity in order to take, which are taken by management. And strategic decisions, these decisions are taken by top management, which affects the overall organizations. Hope you all remember that. And taking another example, in present situations we are observing layoffs. Hope you all know what is meant by layoff. Most of the people know it, but I am telling it for those who don't know. It means the company will terminate large group of employees in case of having scarcity of raw materials or in uncertain conditions in order to avoid extra cost to the company. Layoff is an example of strategic decisions. Can only be taken if there is right information in right format and right time. Okay, next slide. Why do companies need business intelligence? I already said you the companies took layoff decisions in order to escape from extra costs. It can only be possible if the companies have sound business intelligence. So why do companies need business intelligence? The companies need business intelligence to take decisions at different levels. I already told you in the previous slides, to have competitive advantage in the market and to sustain different uncertain situations. Next slide. What are the capabilities of business intelligence? Data collection, storage and management is the primary step in any business intelligence. These capabilities can easily remembered with a small acronym, that is ETL, which means extract, transform and load the data. This is the first step. Next comes data analysis, where you dig into the data and do some analysis and convert it into usable information. After data analysis is done, you will be presented the data using some tools, where you present the data in a pictorial form for better understanding. Last comes the data mining, where data is taken out after data warehousing in order to take decisions. I already discussed about the data mining and data warehousing in our class. Data warehousing means storing of large amount of data in a warehouse. Data mining means extracting the stored data in a data warehouse for taking decisions. And next comes the components of business intelligence. From this picture, we can easily understand the process of business intelligence in any organization. In the first, you can observe data sources. Here, the data is taken out from different sources like Excel data, CSV data, SQL data, and other forms of data for integration. The taken information or data is integrated. I already told you the acronym extract, transform, and load. After loading the data, here the integrated data is sent to data warehousing in order to store. And next step is analysis, where the data in the warehouse is analyzed and reported in the form of pictures or statistics in order to better understanding of analyzed data to take decisions, or for a particular decision data mining is taken place in order to take a small quantity of required data from the data warehouse, and then the taken out data or mined data is then analyzed. Again it is reported for taking a particular decision. This process is combinedly called as business intelligence process. Thank you guys. Hope you understand the lesson. Meet you in the next section.